Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study online using YouTube. First, clearly define what you want to learn. This helps narrow your search. Next, use precise keywords in the search bar, like Calculus Explained or History Lecture Series, to find high-quality educational content. Always check the video's comments and the creator's background to ensure the information is accurate and reliable. This initial step is crucial for effective online learning. Once you've found your content, engage actively. Don't just passively watch. Take thorough notes, writing down key concepts and examples. If a topic is challenging, pause the video and rewatch that specific section until it clicks. After watching, summarize the main points in your own words or create flashcards. This active recall process significantly boosts your retention and comprehension of the material. Organization is key to long-term learning. Use YouTube's playlist feature to group related videos, making them easy to find later. Establish a consistent schedule for reviewing your notes and rewatching key videos. This spaced repetition reinforces your memory. Finally, challenge yourself with practice questions or quizzes related to the video content. This helps solidify your understanding and identify areas needing more attention. Maintaining focus and motivation is vital for online study. Designate a specific, quiet area for learning, free from potential distractions like social media notifications. Consider joining online study groups or forums to connect with peers, share insights, and stay accountable. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. And hey, for a cleaner study environment, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.